It can be difficult to manage sugar replacements. Synthetic artificial sweeteners, such as aspartame and saccharin, have been controversial for years due to their possibly harmful consequences, despite the fact that the USDA considers many of them safe. If you're not a fan of artificial sweeteners, there are some better options when it comes to sugar substitutes. Alternatives to white table sugar include honey, maple syrup, coconut sugar, and molasses. Despite having a little more naturally occurring sugar than their manufactured counterparts, these naturally sweet foods may really be beneficial to your health. These are the best sugar substitutes. Stevia. Stevia sweetener is derived from the stevia plant, which has been utilized since ancient times all throughout the world. It has the same sweet flavor as processed white sugar. In fact, stevia is 100 to 300 times sweeter, but none of the calories, and it can be used for the same things. Monk fruit extract. Locanto's monk fruit sweetener is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a zero-calorie, zero-carb sugar replacement. Monk fruit, which is made from the concentrated powder of a small green melon, is 100 to 250 times sweeter than conventional sugar and is sometimes mixed with inulin or erythritol, a sugar alcohol, to lessen the sweetness. Erythritol. An erythritol product like Swerve's granular sugar replacement may be right for you if you prefer a less sweet, zero-calorie sweetener. The sugar alcohol is only around 60% to 80% as sweet as sugar, and it has no calories, unlike other sugar alcohols. Coconut sugar. Organic coconut sugar is a wonderful choice if you enjoy the texture and light caramel flavor of brown sugar but want a little healthier alternative. Coconut sugar, a natural sugar derived from the sap of coconut palms, is high in minerals and antioxidants, as well as inulin fiber, which helps to decrease sugar absorption. Honey. Sugar substitutes aren't all made equal. Honey is one of the best natural sweeteners on the market, with numerous health advantages including anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antioxidant characteristics. Maple syrup. Maple syrup, a popular topping for waffles and pancakes, is a great sugar substitute that may even have anti-cancer properties. 9 Coombs Family Farms maple syrup is certified organic and adds a rich, sweet flavor to your favorite recipes. 1/4 cup of maple syrup has 200 calories, so it's not a low-calorie alternative. It does, however, offer certain nutritional benefits. Molasses. According to studies, blackstrap molasses has the highest antioxidant content of any sweetener, including maple syrup and honey. 10 After all the sugar has been removed from raw sugarcane, this black, bitter material remains. Because the bittersweet, sticky liquid's strong flavor might overshadow dishes, it's better to use it in little amounts. Thank you for your time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.